Guys like talking nasty more than girls do. Girls despise it when men say inappropriate things. Girls are more communicative than boys in nature. When a girl expresses sadness but does not weep, it suggests she is not sobbing in her heart. Girls enjoy gossiping. A well-timed kiss on the hand may be a tremendous turn-on. Girls enjoy being constantly flattering. Being too serious might turn off a girl. Girls enjoy being constantly flattering. In terms of conduct, girls are really unpredictable. If you don't like a girl you like, tell her softly. She will melt when the person she likes grins and looks deep into her eyes. When a guy says something heartfelt, girls remember it for the rest of their lives. It's wise to give her some space if she ignores you after you've done something wrong. Girls are always daydreaming about their crushes. They simply do not demonstrate it. A girl can't think of anything she dislikes about the person she loves. Girls understand how to manage their emotions. Girls enjoy it when guys call them by their first name. If a girl is in love with a guy, she will think about him often. Many girls appreciate it when guys seek them for guidance. When a certain guy flirts with a girl frequently, the girl may begin to believe the guy likes her. So be cautious with your smiles if you only regard a girl as a friend. You can tell a girl cares about you when she cooks for you. Leave a girl alone for a while if she tries to avoid you after you reject her, but talk to her if you still consider her like a friend. Girls aren't who they portray themselves to be. Girls appreciate discussing their emotions. Never ever make a girl feel worthless in any manner. Girls are easily embarrassed, even when guys have no idea what the heck occurred. A girl values a grin much. Make friends with a girl initially if you like her. Introduce yourself to her. Despite the fact that they may not express it, girls want to feel unique. Leave if a girl tells you she needs to study and won't go out with you. Still, if she continues to call you or anticipates a call from you, remain. The phrase "I love you" is a wonderful way to tell a girl that she is attractive. Never try to infer a girl's emotions. Continually ask her. A girl will often question why she never noticed a guy until she falls in love with him. When the class photographs are released, a girl will gaze at her crush first before looking at herself. The person she's in love with today remains in her heart, but her ex-boyfriend will always be in her memories. Nothing a girl wants more than to be appreciated. A simple hi might make a girl feel happier. Usually, a girl's closest pals can understand her feelings and struggles the best. A girl's best pals generally understand how she feels and what she is going through. A girl enjoys receiving praises but is sometimes unsure how to respond to them. Girls, according to psychology, can't keep a secret for more than 47 hours before sharing it with her closest friends. Girls adore it when a guy pushes them closer together around the waist.